guys, welcome to this new video. In this build video we are going to clean and fix up NTK's 450 as well as giving it a new look and install a lot of new parts. We're also going to sand off the frame, rear spring and triple clamp for powder coating. We're going to install a new set of wheels, a new seat cover, a full FMF exhaust system, header as well as a silencer. Then we have a Motormaster supporting the build with a new sprocket and chain, as well as boulder signs supporting with a fully custom graphics kit and a set of wheel wraps for the new wheels. I'm also installing a stunt frame or a foot hoop. So yeah, I have a lot to do, so let's tear the bike down and get it ready for powder coating. I almost forgot. Let's empty out the oil and the coolant as well before we tear it more apart. Okay, as you can see, the bike is completely taken apart, it's just the frame left. So now I'm gonna remove the spring from the rear shock and then send off everything for powder coat. As you can see, I have the FMF muffler on the bench now. I'm going to disassemble this and take the blue part and Cerakote it black on request from NTK. So yeah, I'm going to take apart the muffler now and get it ready for Cerakote. So, as you can see, it's starting to look like a bike now again. I have put on the subframe and the foot tube. I also got the electrical system back on the bike, as well as the triple clamp and the handlebars. So now it's time to reinstall the cooling system. It looks like a bike now again. It's only missing the wheels and the bold graphics, of course. So yeah, let's wrap the wheels with bold 50/50 wheel wraps and then install the new Motormaster sprocket and install the new chain as well. And then it's only the graphics left to install. So as you can see, the bike is now back together with the wheels. The fork is also back on the bike with the bolt strings. I also put on the tank and all the plastics, so it's only missing the bold graphics kit now. So let's install that and see how the bike will turn out. I'm super excited to see how it will look when it's completely done, and I'm also super excited to see NTK's reaction when I give the bike back to him.
Ska jag dra? Åh, jävlar vad det lyser. Oh my god. Det är fan, det är poppigt alltså. Oh my god, vad nice. Det är så här riktigt premium alltså. Jävligt mycket loss i ramen.
Det är helt sjukt. Det är rent stört.
Det är fan helt rent.